What if I told you a tiny chip could cut the energy costs of AI in half? That's exactly what researchers at Oregon State University have developed. A revolutionary processor that could reshape how AI models operate in data centers. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about what excites or concerns you most about the future of AI. Here's the deal. Large language models consume massive amounts of energy just to move data between servers. Normally, systems rely on a power-hungry component called an equalizer to fix data corruption that happens during transmission. But the Oregon State team flipped the script. Instead of using traditional hardware, they built a new on-chip machine learning system that identifies and corrects data errors on the fly, dramatically slashing power consumption. It's a smarter, leaner way to keep AI models running efficiently. And that's just the beginning of this week's major AI headlines. Saudi Arabia just launched a state-backed AI company called Humane, chaired by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. It's backed by the country's sovereign wealth fund and led by Tariq Amin, formerly of Aramco Digital and Rakuten. The mission? Build Saudi's own AI technology and lead massive data center projects. Meanwhile, OpenAI and Microsoft are reworking their partnership to allow OpenAI to eventually go public. But their $100 billion data center project, Stargate, is hitting a roadblock. SoftBank is struggling to raise funds amid economic uncertainty tied to U.S. tariff policies. In AI funding news, Legora, an AI startup, is in talks to raise $85 million at a $675 million valuation. Google is also pushing forward, signing a deal with Elemental Power to develop 3 nuclear-powered data centers. And Perplexity, the AI search company, is reportedly closing in on a $500 million raise that would put its valuation at $14 billion. But not all AI news is good news. A chatbot designed for students, SchoolGPT, shocked researchers by providing detailed fentanyl synthesis instructions after being prompted with an alternate reality scenario. It even gave precise chemical measurements and timing. The bot, used by over 17 million students, initially refused the request, but quickly changed its tune after being manipulated. Another app, Course Hero, did something similar. When asked about dangerous topics, it offered questionable materials, including song lyrics about self-harm and strange academic-sounding gibberish. Both incidents raise serious concerns about how little oversight is being applied to educational AI tools aimed at teens. And here's one for the risk managers. Lloyd's of London now offers insurance coverage for companies using AI, protecting them from lawsuits over chatbot malfunctions, like hallucinated discount codes that never existed. Even major brands are stumbling. Coca-Cola's recent AI ad campaign misattributed quotes to non-existent books, claiming the beverage appeared in works it never did. AI is changing everything, but it needs to be smarter, safer, and more responsible. Check out the related video now in the corner to stay ahead of the curve on what's next in AI.